Hello class! Welcome to our YouTube channel, Mind Bloom. Again, this is Miss D. I will be your teacher for today. This is our 6th video in math and our lesson today is about prime factorization. So, ano ba yung prime factorization? Before we go to that discussion, I just want to clarify. Meron lang akong gustong i-establish na concept sa inyo, no? If you are, let's say simplihan lang natin, 2 times 3. What is 2 times 3? 2 times 3 is equal to 6. So the parts of, this is multiplication, no? So we have here 2 and 3. We call them, we call them factors. So 2 and 3 are factors. 6 is our product. This is for multiplication. Now, when we say a factor of, so if a number is a factor of another number, that means, so for example, here, 6. If we list all the factors of 6, then titingnan mo lahat ng possible combination in multiplication para makakuha ka ng product na 6. So let's start. 1 times 6 will give us 6. 2 times 3 will give us 6. So kung mapapansin nyo, no, I made it systematic. So nag-start ako dito sa 1, tapos 2, and then 3. Pero ito kasi, 3 times 2 is 6. Pag umulit ka na, hindi na siya unique. So, hindi mo na siya isasama. Therefore, if we're going to list all the factors of 6, all the factors would be 1, 2, 3, and 6. These are the factors. Okay? So, I hope that is clear, no? Kasi later, magkakagulo-gulo, no, do sa concepts ng factors, multiples. Okay. Now, let's proceed with our lesson proper, prime factorization. Pag sinabing prime factorization, kukunin mo yung factor ng isang number na dapat lahat ng factors na yon prime numbers na. So, let's have an example, no? So, let's have 72 as an example. How do we get the prime factors? So, actually, you can start. Ano ba yung mga naiisip yung factors ng 72? So, maybe the first one that will come to your mind is 8 times 9. Right? So, 8 times 9. 8 is not yet a prime number kasi may factors pa siya. 9 is also not a prime number. So, ano nga ang tawag dun sa opposite ng prime? We call them composite numbers. So we have prime and composite numbers. Okay. So since 8 is not yet a prime number, you can further get the factors. So what are the factors of 8? Maybe you will think of 2 times 4. For 9 naman, the factors will be 3 times 3. Okay. Now, if you look again here, 2 is already a prime number. 4 is not yet a prime number. So, we can further break it down to 2 times 2. And then here, 3 and 3, these are prime numbers. So, if we're asked to give the prime factors for 72, what we do is we just get yung mga nasa dulo. So, lahat ng prime. Okay, so that will be 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. This method that we use is what we call the factor 3 method. So that is one way of getting the prime factors of a number. So I'm going to teach you another way. Let's still use the same number, 72. but this time using continuous division. So let's use continuous division. Okay, that's continuous division. So for continuous division, simply, yung 72, i-divide mo muna siya by a prime factor. So, 1, wag na natin gamitin yung 1 kasi you'll get the same number, no? Paulit-ulit lang. So, you get 2. What is 72 divided by 2? That will be 36. So, since it is a composite number, you divide it again by another prime number. 36 divided by 2, that's 18. And then again, you divide it by 2, so that will be 9. And then this time, 9 divided by 3, the answer is 3. You will only stop the division process kapag prime number na yung nasa dulo. So, once again, you just get all those answers and the remainder. So, basically, you'll arrive with the same answer here. So, kahit ano na process na gamitin mo dun sa dalawa, you should be able to get the same answer. Okay, practice naman tayo ngayon. So, for our practice, we're asked to get the prime factors of the following numbers using the method specified. So, let's start with this one. Factor 3. So, we have 324. Using factor 3, can you think of factors of 324? Ano kayang factors ng 324? So, dito nyo na magagamit yung mga divisibility rules. So, pwede nyo tingnan, is it divisible by 2? Is it divisible by 3? Is it divisible by 4? So, kung titingnan nyo, pwede din siyang, it's actually divisible by 2, 3, 4, no? So, we could start with maybe, ang ginagawa ko kasi, para hindi masyadong mahaba yung 3, medyo malaking-laking number na agad yung nilalagay ko. So, 4. So, 324 divided by 4, that would be 81. So, ito, magiging, so that is 4 times 81, ano? And then, 4 is 2 times 2. Then, 81 is 9 times 9. And syempre, yung 9, that's 3 times 3. So, if we're going to list the prime factors of 324, that will be 2 times 2 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. That is the final answer. Okay, let's move on to 96. Same procedure. We need to use factor 3. So, let's use again 4. So, 96 divided by 4, that is 24. So, 4 times 24 is 96. So, this will be 2 times 2. And 24 is 3 times 8. And we know that 8 is 2 times 4. And 4 is 2 times 2. So, para maging organized, ginagawa ko sa final answer from smallest to biggest, or kayo kung anong rule. Pero, pinakamadali kasi yon. So, i-count nyo ilan yung 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 and then times 3. So, this will be your final answer. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 3. Now, continuous division. For 88, so you divide by, what happened? Okay, 88, we divide by 11, so that will be 8. divided by 2, so that will be 4. And again, divided by 2, so that will be 2. So for 88, the prime factors will be 2 times 2 times 2 times 11. Then lastly, we have 125 using continuous division. So we divided by 5. Is it divisible by 5? Yes, kasi 5 yung ending niya, no? So if we divide it by 5, that would be 25. Then again, we divide it by 5. So the prime factors of 125 is 5 times 5 times 5. So, that's all for today. Napakadali lang, 'di ba? So again, if you have questions, just comment them below. If you liked our video, don't forget to click subscribe and click the notification button para ma-notify kayo if we have new content. So once again, this is Miss D. Have fun while learning. Bye-bye!